If I'm standing with my left side to the attachment, I want my left hand on the handle, my right hand over top. I want to stand out away from the rack, so as soon as I pull, I got some resistance right away. I want to keep my feet hip width or closer. As soon as I step out nice and wide, I'm naturally stronger. So I want to try and create strength where I might not necessarily have it right now. So I got my feet hip width. I'm in good athletic position. I'm going to rotate to my attachment, pull into the middle part of my chest, make sure my shoulders are back, and from here, I'm going to press out. I'm going to lock this position. As I press out, that tension will increase because my hands are further away from my body, so my lever arm becomes longer. That's going to put more stress on that core. That core has to work harder to prevent me from shifting back or my hands shifting. So to get set up, face the attachment, pull into your body, rotate into position, lock, press out, and hold. I want to hold this position for 20 seconds. Once I'm done, I'm in, rotating, and back. Make sure you do both sides.